Welcome to my channel. Google Nest Wi-Fi router setup. Hi everyone, in today's video, we'll walk you through the easy steps to set up your Google Nest Wi-Fi router. Let's get started. First, let's unbox your equipment. You should find the Google Nest Wi-Fi router, any additional points you might have, a power adapter, and an Ethernet cable. Next, download the Google Home app from the Google Play Store or Apple App Store. This app will guide you through the setup process. Now, plug in your Google Nest Wi-Fi router using the power adapter and connect it to your modem with the Ethernet cable. The cable should go into the WAN port on your router and the other end into your modem. Open the Google Home app on your phone or tablet. Tap the plus icon to add a new device, then select Setup Device and choose New Device. Follow the prompts to start the setup. The app will guide you through the setup process. You'll connect to your router's network, name your Wi-Fi network, and set a password. Make sure your phone or tablet is connected to the same network during setup. Place your primary router in a central location in your home. If you have additional Nest Wi-Fi points, place them where they can effectively extend coverage, avoiding thick walls or large metal objects. Once the setup is complete, the app will test the connection to ensure everything is working. If there are any issues, it will provide troubleshooting tips. You can use the Google Home app to manage your Wi-Fi network. Set up guest networks, manage connected devices, and check your network's health. Make sure your Google Nest Wi-Fi router and points have the latest firmware. The app will usually notify you if an update is available. And that's it. Your Google Nest Wi-Fi router should now be set up and providing a strong, reliable connection throughout your home. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips. See you next time.